In Tahmoor, around about an hour southwest of Sydney, a gentleman had parked his Toyota Camry vehicle. It was parked for around about 8 days without being used, and the damage by rats was amazing. A lot of the damage that's been done to this vehicle can't be readily seen. You can see this bit of chewing to wiring, etc., and there's a whole lot of that around the place. Some more there. But mainly the stuff that's really bad, you just actually can't see. Have a bit of a scout around. Here's a cupboard there. They've chomped into that. They've done a fair bit of damage to that particular cover, and it's not a cheap one to replace. A bit more damage right there. Some more wiring that's been chewed into. You can see the rat poo just below that circle. And have a look there, and just to the right of that top circle you can see a blue block. That's a rat bait. There, the firewall, that insulation has got to be replaced behind those areas that we're pointing to now. With a mirror, you could see that behind there, rats have been in there and pulled that insulation out. That's a real fire hazard. That's got to be replaced. So just a massive amount of work that's got to be done in this car. This battery, it completely had the bottom chewed out of it. All the acid leaked out. The rat just chewed it to pieces. It's been replaced at this point. Obviously, there's a few things being done here just to get this car back on the road. The top of that, I think it's the what is it? Or power steering fluid bottle. It was chewed to the point that lid was nearly right off. Plus, the lid's been chewed a fair bit as well. Incredible amount of damage. This is the quote here. Includes $6,800 worth of labour, which is a fair bit. Whole lot of bits and pieces. But the grand total, unbelievable, $20,698.71. That quote, of course, doesn't include things like the new battery, the tow truck that took the car to and from the dealers that gave the quote, and a range of other things. Should have had some pest control done before it got to this stage.